an acrylic mirror wall sticker. These are the shapes.
Own domain, yeah, I got what it takes. Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do. We are on our road to 3K and we are really hoping that you subscribe. We've learned that so many of you watch but you don't subscribe, and also give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, let's get into the video. So today I've gotten a package that I've always wanted, like in my bedroom, and I decided to share with you guys. So this package I got from Robert's KE. So this is an acrylic mirror wall sticker, and this is the instructions. Like, we've been given the instructions because it is a DIY that I'm going to show you. We are going to set up. So first I'd like to show you this other part, which is the gold. It's a golden color, and of course, as I've told you, I've always wanted to have this so that it can complement my bedroom, and also, like, it's a decor that I've been looking for so long, and finally I've been able to get it. So yeah, let me unpack it with you guys and then I show you. Let me put this here so that you can see all the instructions, and of course I'm going to show you each and every step I'm taking. So as you can see, I'm unpacking it with you guys right now, which only means that it is very, like, simple to set up, and of course it's very, very beautiful. These are the shapes, and when we set it up, it's going to look like you're going to see a clear picture of what I'm trying to tell you. So if you want this, you can make your order on Robert's KE. I'm going to leave their number on the description bar, and of course their Instagram page, so that you can make your orders. They do deliveries countrywide, and also if you want to go to their shop, this is their shop. Make sure you reach them out and you get your pair of this. So this is not the only color they have. This is just the golden one. They also have the silver one. Let me put something here so that you can see a clear picture of what I'm telling you about on the silver one. So with Robert's Kenya, that is Robert's KE on Instagram, they have this beautiful set of gold and silver, like these ones for decor. You can put it in your sitting room, you can put it in your dining area, you can put it in your bedroom, which we are going to put right now. You know, I love gold, and I know it's going to complement with the color of my beddings and all. Okay, so about Robert's KE, they have a lot of home decor products. They have wall-to-wall carpets, curtains, 3D wallpaper, pillows. They have a lot of things. Make sure you just go to their Instagram page and make your orders on them. So today we are going to be dealing with this, and let's just get to it so that we can show you how it's going to come out, and then you'll get a clear picture of what I'm trying to say. Robert's Kenya deals with interior designs. You can always, like, just go check them out on their Instagram, on GG, and then also on TikTok. You're going to see all their products, from curtains to wall-to-wall carpets to wooden carpets, the mkeka wa mbao. Then they also have pillowcases, they have pillows. Like, they have amazing home decor products that you're going to love. You can always check them out. Make sure you make your orders, and don't forget to say that I sent you there. Yeah, let's get to it. You can always get, like, as much as you want, depending on the design that you want. So I decided to get 12 pieces because the design that I want only requires 12 pieces of this, so that is why I decided to get that. But you can always get more depending on the designs that you want. Remember that you don't need anybody to come and, you know, do it for you, because it is very simple. As long as you know what you want, you can always just set up. You have to make sure that your wall is clean. It doesn't have, like, too small dirt particles, so that it can stick well. You don't want to put it, then it starts falling off and all that, you know. So for convenience, make sure your wall is clean and clear and straight, like it very, very smooth, so that it can stick so well. So if you want like to use your acrylic mirror for like mirror purpose, if you know what I mean, like apart from deco, you can get the silver one because it is more clear in terms of you can even use it to do your makeup, the silver one. But these ones for me it's just for deco purposes, but it is so beautiful. Like I'm just seeing it from here and it's so beautiful. I can already imagine how it's gonna be.
I've been driving this train, years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain.
It's time to clean the surface where you're going to put your acrylic mirror. Make sure it is smooth and there are no dirty particles. So this is your first step. And then step 2, first of all, this is a sticker which you have to remove so that you can stick it in the wall. So you just slowly like that. And then with your pattern, slowly.
To play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb.
So the first step was removing the cover, like this part, and then I've already put it there. Oh my god, it's looking so beautiful. So we are going to plug this so that you can remain with the golden mirror. So it is as simple as this, and wow, this is so beautiful. Yeah, just like that, our acrylic mirror is looking so good. Make sure you move it carefully. And by the way guys, this is like my design. You can also get your design, and this you can put it in hotel rooms, in your bedrooms, in your children's bedrooms, in your dining area. By the way, dining area here in so it's so beautiful. Maybe you should do this too.
Lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb. A new class divine, yeah, true passion shines, and I'm through passing time. I choose stacking dimes.
It's a real mirror. If you don't have a mirror in your house, you're good to go.
Words I say, I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la.
So yeah, this is our final product, and the result is so amazing. So have you ever imagined something and then when you come to do it, like it turns out to be more like so perfect? Like I didn't really expect this. I had like a picture of what I wanted, but this is so beyond my expectations. So thank you so much, Roberts KE. So I want to tell you that This is golden, and it is 12 pieces, but you can also get like a variety of colors. Like you can get different colors that you want depending on your theme color or whatever, wherever you're going to put it. Remember, you can put it in your bedroom, you can put it in your dining area, you can put it in your sitting room area, your studio, you can put it in your washroom. This is an hexagon acrylic plate, like acrylic mirror, but you can also get like a full mirror which is acrylic, like compared to the other mirror that is maybe in terms of being portable, in terms of being dangerous, like where you put it. Like this one is the best because you can just stick it in your washroom area or your bedroom, and then it's going to come out perfectly. Yeah. When you go to Roberts KE, you're going to find the home decor products, a variety of acrylic mirrors, a variety of curtains, different colors that you want. You can also get wall-to-wall carpets. You can also get 3D wallpaper. I'm about to do something with a 3D wallpaper that I'm going to show you guys. Yeah, so I wanted to complement this with white, gray, and then goldish. So I feel like I have a taste of everything right here, and I just feel like my heart is full. But it's very very clear and very beautiful. Like
I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out Roberts KE on Instagram. You follow them and make your orders for home decor products. I've had an amazing time setting up this acrylic mirror. I really love the outcome, so try it out and tag me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. See you in the next one.